Hello guys, welcome to an XBQ new video, and in this video I'm gonna give an update on the price of Bitcoin. We know that last week we couldn't release a new video update, and for this we'd like to apologize. And the most important thing now is that today is Monday with another Bitcoin weekly candle close, and as we can see, we mentioned on our last update that we are still watching this range between our 59,000 level and our 77,000 level. So for the last 7 weeks, Bitcoin has been able to close 7-8 weeks, counting this week. Bitcoin is being able to close weekly candles above our 59,000 level. So 8 weeks mean 2 months that we've been closing weekly candle above this level. The only thing that is holding us at the moment is the middle line of this channel. So the middle line of this channel is suppressing the price of Bitcoin, and we are not able to retest the 77,000 level. We can see that this week had a very dramatic close, where Bitcoin retested the 60,000 psychological level, but managed to bounce and close at 65,000. So it recovered $5,000. So we also mentioned on our last update that the DXY was likely to retest the middle line of this channel as well, and as you can see, this is exactly what's happening at the moment. The DXY had a weekly candle close at around 106, like we were mentioning. So at the moment we can see that the DXY weekly candle close is just finding resistance as well at the middle of this channel. So what we want to know is that is Bitcoin going to be able to maintain the sideways move and protect our 59,000 level. We want Bitcoin to continue to hold and close weekly candle above our 59,000 level. The reason being is because we can see on the previous cycle where we did the double top, the first retest of 59,000 level, which was the price discovery, Bitcoin really struggled to actually close a candle, managed to close 1 week a little bit above, and got rejected immediately, only to retest again second time, managed to close around 5 weeks, but got rejected. So we have 8 weeks already inside above this level, but the only thing that we need to master now is to take out the middle of our channel. This is what we want you guys to keep an eye on. We don't want Bitcoin to close a weekly candle below this level. We want Bitcoin to keep consolidating and finding strength to finally push and break the middle of our channel and the 77,000 level to the upside and hold it at support. We can see that the strength of DXY is as well an issue, but it's just the way it is. We can see that the super gap indicator already switched from silver to green, like we mentioned, and we want to see how the DXY is going to deal with the middle of this channel, how the price is going to react. So this is something really important. Bitcoin DXY ratio, we can see that the RSI is just on the 30 level, You can see now it's 29.45. We don't want the other side to close above this level. We don't want the other side to close above the 30 level, and that would be a sign of concern, or to break the downward trend line to the upside, which would usually marks the a bigger, huge correction, similar to the bear market. You can see every time you break this downward trend line, what happened to the price. And now we want to protect the 30 level on the RSI so that we can continue to actually try to push and break our 77,000 level in the middle of our channel. Litecoin and Bitcoin ratio, we can see Litecoin, of course, following Bitcoin, at a major dump, holding the top of the downward trend line. Basically, Litecoin fell and it's holding the top of this trend line as support, and we can see how the weekly close. What we want to know is that this breakout is still valid as long as the Litecoin doesn't break inside the old trend line. It means Litecoin still has a chance to consolidate and try and move higher, and this would mean that Bitcoin as well has to protect the 59,000 level in order for Litecoin to continue to move on the right direction in this case. So the Bitcoin dominance finally broke the 0.38 Fibonacci level. It's currently at 55%. We were mentioning that the dominance was looking to retest the middle of this channel. So basically we have everything to testing the middle of its own channel, which is funny, but that's the reality. So we want to know if Bitcoin is going to break this, get rejected at this level, like we mentioned in a previous video. After this, the 50-day crossed the 200-day moving average. We had a test of the top of this channel, and then the dominance fell. So we are having the same scenario. The only difference is that we are at the middle, or the other half of this channel, which means 50-day moving average, 50-week moving average, crossing the 200-week moving average, and the dominance retesting the middle of this channel, which we can see is a major level of resistance. The Bitcoin dominance hasn't touched the middle of this channel many times. You can see the first time it broke to the downside, got rejected, had a fall, bounce, broke, and last time he revisit, he broke it back to the downside again. And this is the fifth time that the dominance is dealing with this, the middle of this channel. The middle of this channel is a very important level for Bitcoin dominance. And we can see that the dominance as well is forming kind of huge diversion. You can see the RSI is making a lower low, while the dominance is making high. We want to see if this can represent a rejection in the future. What this is going to mean if Bitcoin is going to be able to keep pushing higher, and the dominant and the altcoin usually can follow and take over Bitcoin, and probably we could see a rejection in the future for Bitcoin dominance. That's the update for today, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next Monday. Thank you very much.